Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reassign the buttons on the 3Dconnexion CadMouse Compact wireless. In order to do it, simply go to the settings in the 3Dconnexion home app, then go to buttons. Now you can enable or disable application specific, right, because it can be customized in different apps. Now for some reason it has assigned OBS, maybe because I don't have any other apps opened currently. But if I open something else, let's open Windows Explorer. Now you can see I'm in Windows Explorer here, settings. Right, you probably will set it for something else, but let's go to the buttons. If global settings are selected currently, then you're changing it for all apps. And if you enable application specific settings, you can customize it only for the app that is currently selected here. I will do the global settings, and let's select common tools, right? This is this button right here, and you can do the radial menu, which is common tools, and I think that's useful especially in some apps like Blender or Fusion. It has a radial, right? Now here you have the virtual numpad and properties. In properties it opens just 3Dconnexion home, but let's go back to the buttons, right? Here you can also go to radial menus, create a new radial menu, or go to common macros, find some. It's great. You can set many different options here, like 3Dconnexion stuff, like virtual numpad, fast speed, moderate speed, slow speed, opening different applications. Doing things within different applications is available as well. Then keyboard, you can just do some keyboard shortcuts. Macros, you can create a new macro. Let me show you. You can add a sequence to the macro. There is a video on creating macros, so you can watch that. And the mouse, so it's just like primary, middle, secondary mouse function, forward, backward, double click left, double click middle. I'll leave it on radial menus, but you can change the wheel to have a different function. Since the middle mouse function is assigned to this button already, the wheel can be set to something else. I think I like it maybe there is some option that's cool. I think calculator seems fun. Let's open calculator. Yeah, I use calculator a lot, so it's useful. Then you have for the middle mouse button and for these forward and backward mouse button. Typically they are assigned to just going forward or back within a browser or stuff like that. Then you can swap middle and right mouse buttons. So now the foremost right functions as the middle, and the middle one functions as the right one. So it's a bit more for people that are used to typical mice with just two buttons. I'll actually unswap it, and then there's always show on display. I know you can't see it right now, but there is some sort of display right here, like in the taskbar. If I go to full screen, like that, you can see there's this little thing right here. I don't really understand it. I never really understood it, but it shows you the mouse and some sort of display. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.